Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today's topic is the uses of at, on, and in different circumstances. Let's get it started. At first, we will see some example. They arrived at 5 o'clock. They arrived on Friday. They arrived in June or in 2012. We use in for the time of day. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 11 45, at midnight, at lunchtime, at sunset. All of these are the time of a day. So we use at before the time of a day. We use on for the days and dates. For example, one Friday or on Fridays. 116 day, May 2025. On New Year's Day, on my birthday. All of these are the days and the dates. When we say on Friday, it's the it's one of the day of a week. Okay, it can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or any other days of the week. On 16 May 2025, it's the specific date of the month of May. So we use one on 17 May, on 13 May, on 15 May, any other date with the month we use on New Year's Day. It's one of the special day, or it's the special day. There are many days of special days. For 21st February, it's our victory day, so we can say on 21st February, on my birthday, it's my special day, so we use on my birthday. In for longer periods of time, for example, it can be month, years, or seasons. It can be month. There are 12 months in a year, so a month, year, and the season are the longer time, so we use in before these times. For example, in June in 2023, in the 1990, it's a longer day, and in the 20th century, it can be 18th century or 21st century, any other century in the past. We use in before month, years, or seasons. We also use some special expressions, for example, at the moment, at the minute, at present, at the time, at the same time, at the weekends, on weekends, at Christmas Day, but on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. If we use only Christmas, you can use at Christmas. But if you use Christmas Day, Eid Day, Idul Adha Day, okay, you can use on Christmas Day or on Idul Fitr Day or Idul Adha Day. If you use the day, so you can use on. But if you only use the festival name, then you can use at. Now we will discuss about another topic, that is there are some more expressions. We also say in the morning or in the mornings, in the afternoon or in the afternoons, in the evenings, but on Friday mornings, on Sunday afternoons, on Monday evenings. If you can use the longest time in the day, we know morning, evening, and afternoon are the longer time in a day, so we use in. And but if you use the day of the morning or day of the afternoon, then you use on. For example, on Friday morning, on Sunday morning, on Monday afternoon, for you, and many more. The last one, we don't use at, on, in, before, last, or next, or every. If you find last, next, or every before the day of the time, then you omit yeah, prepositions. For example, I will see you next Friday. Okay, not you can say I will see you on next Friday, just next Friday. They got married last June. Okay, we often leap out and on before days. Sometimes we also use only the day of the weeks without prepositions. For example, we will say on Friday. You can also say I will see you Friday. I will see you Monday, Sunday, or any other days of the week. So it's just one type of expressions. When you read newspapers, when you read any articles, magazines, or any other research papers, you will find these types of use many more. So I think from today, yeah, all of the confusions will be clear, and you will be able to use add on in different circumstances in your writings more appropriately. If you have any questions, you can put comment in my timeline, and I will try to answer you according to your questions. Thank you very much for joining with us.